Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the loft. Oh, wow, wires. Somebody said watch out, these wires will burn your brains out. They really have. I've just wired up point number 16. Point number 16. But I'm going to give it a rest. I'm going to give the wiring a rest for a while. I'm going on to scenery, not scenery, landscaping. I want to do the cliff and start this viaduct here, not viaduct, embankment here. So that's what I'm going to do. I've had enough of wiring, so I'll have a couple of days on the layout, scenics and landscapes, just for a while. Back in a minute. So to finish off the wiring, I just want to test number 16 that I've just put in. Let's hopefully we'll get a click. Ready? Yes. Yes, okay. Onto the landscape we go. Back in a minute. Wow, here we go. Landscaping. This is going to be cliff. Similar to this. It's going to be cliff. And then people that know Dover, some people might remember Sunny Stores, which was taken away to put a new motorway through. Sunny Stores is going to be there. This top main line will be in a tunnel till about here. The Acliff Road will run along the top of the main line in over the top of the tunnel, and this is going to be one embankment with a passenger crossing down onto a piece of beach here. So that's the plan, and here we go. Well, as you can see, I've been rather busy with the 2mm cardboard again. And this is what I want. It's always a compromise. There's not much room for error here, but this is the end of my cliff. This is the second tunnel entrance portal, and let's see how we get on. Wow, the postman's just been, and I did say earlier I wanted to get away from wiring for a little while, and look what the postman's bought. 2 high frequency track cleaners, so oh, everything's ganging up on me. So yeah, more wiring to be done, but now I'm going to continue on with the scenic work for the moment, because I have made a start. Things are happening. I'll show you some more. Well, this is the membrane for my cliffs. There's only a very short top. It's very close to the ceiling because of the angle of the roof, but I'm going to let this dry a bit before I go any further. Yeah, that's the membrane for the moment. I'll be back in a little while after some more progress. Okay, I've started my first piece of cliff walling. It is just a creased up piece of A4 copy paper. I feel like, what was his name? Slarty Bartfast, out of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, because yeah, this is my first sheet. I'm going to cut this video into 2, because this is the effect I'm trying to gain again. This is screwed up paper. You screw it up into a ball roughly, and then open it out and stick it on where it touches. So just behind here is an upright. It's touching a couple of times along the top and hither and thither, and when you get it just about like that, you leave it and let it dry, and then tomorrow I shall go on and on and on until my cliff carries on. So that's the first piece of cliff, and you can see that with a bit of dribbly mud and some grass and the odd tuft here and there, that's going to go nicely. So I've taken my tunnel entrance, and I've got steps coming down the cliff here and across the bridge, a public bridge to get you on the beach, which is going to be down here somewhere. Oops, yeah, down here. So that's my first piece of cliff. I'm quite happy with that. I was worried how it's going to go, so I'm going to put this video up. So this is the end. I'm going to call it part 1. I gather there's going to be quite a few parts to get this sorted, but this is part 1 of the Cliffs of Dover, the White Cliffs of Dover. They're not going to be white to the end, they'll be grey and grassy green, but yeah, I'm quite happy. I feel like this COVID has brought this project on so quickly that yeah, I've really enjoyed doing this today. There's enough room inside to get your hands up to the track. If I had a derailment in there, I could go up through here, through the open frame. Look, and put my hand up into the void to get anything back. I'm going to rely on the true track cleaners to keep the track nice and clean through here. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. So more tomorrow. This takes minutes to put in place. It takes a little bit longer to slowly paint it with PVA and polyfiller, but yes, that's the effect I'm trying to get. And then with a bit of grass and dribbles, I hope to make it look kind of quite realistic. So that's how in the loft. This is the end of part 1, and well, I'll get it uploaded. It's another part of the COVID videos. So more tomorrow. Bye from Slarty Bartfast. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now in the loft gone.